Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to delete all messages in Instagram at once. So let's dive in. Now normally you cannot delete all your messages in Instagram at once. So what you have to do is switch your account to a professional account. And we're going to do that real quick. All you have to do is go ahead to your profile, click on the three dashes top of your screen, then click on settings. Then you want to go ahead and click on account, and you want to scroll down to the bottom of your screen. Next thing you want to do is click on switch account type. If you do not have a professional account, you'll get the option to switch to a professional account. It's very easy. All you have to do is follow the process and you will get your professional account, which is a business account. So after that, all I have to do is go back to my messages, click on the three dots on the top of my screen and click select chats. It is that simple, and I can delete multiple chats at once. So all you have to do is switch your account to a professional account, and you will get the option to delete multiple messages at the same time. And that is how you do it, guys. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.